Hello there, this is our 70 litre Spruce Bark mulch, an amazing product. And by the way, this big bag is delivered free of charge as well. But why would you want it? What would you use it for? Well, first of all, one bag will cover about 1 metre to 1.2 metres squared if you use it with a 5 to 7 centimetre depth. But it is multifunctional. So first of all, it is a brilliant weed suppressant. Sometimes the weeds take over. Sometimes it becomes really hard work, constantly weeding the beds and borders. This seriously suppresses weeds. But it has so many more uses. It can make areas easier to walk on. Sometimes walking over muddy beds and borders can get the mud everywhere, can be a little bit slippy and unsafe. This is far easier to walk on. Great, of course, for children's play areas as well. But in terms of our plants, it can retain moisture, so you can top dress pots and containers, things like hydrangeas that love a moist environment. This is brilliant for things like raspberry canes, of course, as well. Also, if you have got any half-hardy perennials, things that are a little bit frost tender, it will give them that extra duvet, that extra protection in those coldest of winter's months. It looks really attractive. I think you'll agree. It looks beautiful, very, very pleasing on the eye. And you will get a big 70 litre bag delivered free of charge as well. So think about transforming whole areas. I've used this myself in the pub garden I look after, and not only does it make life a lot easier, so when you've got large areas covered in this, pots, containers, beds and borders, what it also does, it highlights the plants even more. So they stand out rather than just having that brown compost around them. I love it. I've used it many, many times, and you can get yours right now here from YouGarden.